to see our house.
This is our house. It's so broken up. The trees are all everywhere.
The ice storm has gone crazy. It's so heavy, it's making branches everywhere fall down.
This is our neighbor's house. This is our whole neighborhood. Look at it.
Hey, Chrissy, look at this tree now.
Oh my God.
Completely uprooted.
Oh my God, slow down so I can get that.
Yeah, it's like love the whole thing.
Wow. Oh my God. Now they're cutting it though, huh? Wait, drive slow, Clint.
That's our neighbor's house.
Look at this, Chrissy.
That's covered.
Broken. No splash. This came from an ice storm.
Oh, there's the house that your dad could have bought, huh?
New flood. This came from an ice storm.
I think I was really more shocked once I turned.
Slow down.
Some people.
You think it's because of this big one over here down?
No, that one's not even down.
Like trees, full trees are falling down, and just
They were saying it's declared a disaster area right now.
Yes. Disaster area. Oh.
Tyler says yes, it is in fact a disaster area. Oh my God.
Dana, there was
Wow.
Dana, there was this tree that was bent down the big
Even Michelle Lehman's out there.
like all the leaves were bent down.
Which,
She was out there earlier.
it's all those Bradford pears, man. They're just too heavy for this kind of weather. Watch out. Man.
Look at that, dude. It's just.
This storm has gone crazy.
Jeez. Hurricane Katrina?
Look at this. Look, you'll be happy if you don't have a tree.
I just called one of the ladies I'm working with. She lives out in Bixby. She said all of her trees are just falling apart around them.
some houses can't even get out of their houses.
Look at that. Over there.
Oh my God.
See, you can't head to that place and see that.
Wow.
Why are they jogging in cold? That's crazy. Just say hi.
How's Chimney Hills doing?
Dad.
They're probably doing okay.